In the pursuit of shedding excess weight, one often overlooks the remarkable potential of apples, a fruit renowned for its health benefits. Beyond their delightful taste, apples are brimming with nutrients and compounds that can facilitate weight loss. Here are 5 seamless strategies to harness the nutritional prowess of apples on your journey towards a healthier, slimmer you. Number 1. Strategic snacking with apple slices. When combating midday cravings, opt for apple slices as a satisfying snack choice. Remarkably low in calories and high in fiber, apples contribute to a feeling of fullness, effectively curbing excessive calorie intake. Moreover, their fiber content promotes digestive health by aiding regular bowel movements, a crucial aspect of any weight loss regimen. Number 2. Revitalize mornings with apple smoothies. Energize your day with a nutrient-rich apple smoothie, a breakfast option teeming with health benefits. Blend together fresh apples, Greek yogurt, spinach, and a dash of cinnamon for a concoction rich in fiber, protein, and essential vitamins and minerals. This revitalizing beverage not only jumpstarts your metabolism, but also stabilizes blood sugar levels, providing sustained energy and reducing cravings throughout the day. Number 3. Amplify salad nutrients with apple slices. Elevate the nutritional profile of your salads by incorporating thinly sliced apples into your greens. Apples not only add a delightful crunch and hint of sweetness, but also contribute an array of essential vitamins and antioxidants, including vitamin C and flavonoids. By enhancing the nutrient density of your salads, you promote overall health while simultaneously fostering satiety and reducing calorie consumption. Number 4. Indulge sensibly with baked apples. Fulfill your sweet cravings sensibly by indulging in baked apples, a guilt-free dessert option brimming with health benefits. Stuff apples with a wholesome mixture of oats, nuts, honey, and cinnamon, then bake until tender for a delightful treat. Notably, apples contain pectin, a soluble fiber that aids in weight loss by promoting feelings of fullness and supporting healthy digestion, making them an ideal dessert choice for those striving to shed pounds. Number 5. Hydrate wisely with apple-infused water. Opt for apple-infused water as a refreshing and health-conscious alternative to sugary beverages. By simply adding thinly sliced apples and a few sprigs of mint to a pitcher of water and allowing it to infuse overnight, you create a hydrating beverage that helps curb cravings and supports weight loss efforts. Additionally, staying adequately hydrated is essential for optimizing metabolic function and promoting overall well-being. In conclusion, integrating apples into your diet can significantly enhance your weight loss journey while simultaneously promoting overall health. Whether enjoyed fresh, blended, baked, or infused, apples offer a versatile and nutritious addition to any dietary plan focused on achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. So, seize the opportunity to harness the health benefits of apples and embark on a path towards a fitter, more vibrant you.